knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Hi you guys, it's your girl Lady T back with another DIY video. Today, you know, the love month is coming up, Valentine's Day. So I thought of a cute little gift for my hubby. So we're doing some Dollar Tree stuff. Today I have several things to throw into some buckets. I have some extra ones to make also. This one will be for my husband. I have little foam. I have ribbons. I have bows. I have snacks that my husband loves. Yeah. He loves peanuts. And, you know, some little heart stuff with the candy. What basket, you know, Valentine's Day, you can't do it without candy. And you can't do Valentine's Day basket out with some type of stuffed animal. I don't care if it's a man, a woman, or what. And, of course, their favorite snacks. And I also found a couple other things to stick in there for him. So ride with me, y'all. We're gonna make some Valentine's Day love baskets or buckets, whichever one you want to go for. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, so I got a variety of stuff. I have tape, scissors, all my ribbons, and the materials I'll need for the buckets. A variety of candies and different chocolates and stuff like that. I also have my glue gun just in case. I don't like using the glue gun for stuff like this. I'll mostly use tape because it's food products, but some of it I will use on this in the bucket. All right, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I forgot that you will need either some straws. These are paper straws, or some skewers.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into discover, baby, what it was. Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby. If you miss me, just say that, baby. Love bomb. I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true. I still miss you, but I really miss that love bomb. Go back to love bomb. You hit me with that love bomb, laying each other's arms. Love becoming so strong, so strong. It was just a love bomb, love bomb.
Okay, you guys. I've got most of these with some sticks on them, the little hearts, Hershey's, and they're taped to the back, you guys. Some of them have the paper, what is this called? Tissue paper on it. And some of them you may need two to stick down in there. But let's get to it, you guys. So this is gonna be my back. This is gonna be my front. And with these, some of them are see, a little open. The package is a little open. So what I'm going to do with these is hot glue them to this, just on the front part, the ones that I'm not using, because I wouldn't suggest you eat them because some of the chocolate, the packages broke open. So let's go ahead and do that. Hazel is playing with her toys over there. Please excuse her, you guys. Let's go.
By myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I want y'all to know that no plushies was hurt during the making of these baskets. These are taped on, not glued.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain.
All the little snacks they like. The cute little stuff in there.
Asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you want to see more of my DIYs or baking. Or just whatever I'm doing over here, because Lady T's got the tea. So if you like the baskets that I made, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It don't cost to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and put that notification bell on. I know you guys get tired of hearing that, but it really does help us out. It helps to get into the algorithm, and it helps me out more than you know. So hit that button, leave a comment, try it if you did. Go ahead and hit me with a DM, a comment. I would love to see what you've done with some of the ideas, because it's unlimited on the ideas of where you can go with it. Like I said, you can make men and women's cute Valentine's Day basket. The love month is approaching, y'all. All right, it's your girl, Lady T. Till next time, peace.
Mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you